John's hourly income increased by 25%. If John wants his total income to remain unchanged, by what percent must he reduce the number of hours worked? There are many unknown quantities mentioned: hourly income, total income, number of hours. We don't know, but we're sure that the answer is fixed because the answer doesn't depend on the hourly income or the number of hours. So you can assume a value for this. Let's say, for example, that this is just the hourly income times number of hours is 100. So the total income of this person is 100. Now think about it. If this person having this income increase its hourly income by 25%, only the hourly income, then everything increases in 25%. So it's 125 now. But if he wants his total income to remain unchanged, that's like saying this person wants to return to the original $100 he earned. So now what I need to know is what percent in the number of hours must he reduce here so that he gets to the original income. So you can calculate this using the difference over the original times 100. What's the difference? 125 minus 100 is 25. The original is 125 times 100. This is 1/5 times 100 equals 20. 20% is the answer.